The quick form press, invented in 2022 by Kevin Potter, combines the power of a kick press with the ease of use of a hand-operated arbor press. The key to how this press operates is the cam. Unlike an arbor press, which has a linear force that limits the amount of pressure possible, the quick form press utilizes a cam that increases pressure by converting an 18-inch stroke into only 1 inch of travel. Whether you're bending rings, cuff bracelets, napkin holders, or silverware, this all-in-one press provides a wide range of tooling for forming metal without the use of a hydraulic press. Here's an introduction to the components and the parts included with the quick form press by Potter USA. The main component of the kit is the press body, which is what you see here. It has a base. For mounting to a work surface, you absolutely must mount it to a sturdy work surface. This section right here is the tool mounting plate, and this is where you will attach the formers to the press in order to use them. This is the handle, and it is mounted to the crank. The handle can be placed on either the right side or the left side of the press, depending on your dominant hand. This square piece that's sticking out, it sticks out on both sides of the press body. This is called the crank. And this center section is the cam. And this is what gives you the ability to exert so much pressure on the tools to form it in ways that an arbor press cannot. So the center piece, this is the cam, and this is the crank. This piece down here that is moving up and down, this is the ram. And as you turn the crank, the ram raises and lowers. In the center of the ram is a hole, and that's where you will insert the urethane holder and the Delrin ring pushers. Included in the kit is a large anti-clastic and a large synclastic former, a small anti-clastic and small synclastic former. This component right here, this is the small tooling adapter, and this gets mounted onto the tooling mounting plate of the body of the press, and all of the small forming tools get mounted to this adapter. Each small former has a 7/8 inch flange, and that gets inserted into the center recess of the tool mounting plate, and then it's bolted into place using this included bolt. That gets threaded on, and then you're ready to use the small formers. You also receive a urethane holder with urethane, and you use this with the synclastic and anticlastic formers, both the large and the small. There are 7 different sizes of ring formers, as well as matching Delrin ring pushers, so that you can form metal without marring its surface. These are washers, and these are used in conjunction with the urethane holder as well as the pushers to take up some slack on the shaft of these tools. Each tool will require a different number of spacers and may not require any, so be sure to check out the instructions for the specific tool you're using. You'll also receive 2 shoulder bolts, and these are used to mount the small tooling adapter and the large synclastic and anticlastic formers to the tool mounting plate. These get inserted from behind the press and then threaded into the adapter or the large forming tools. Also included is an Allen wrench. Yours may look different, but it is a 1/4 inch Allen wrench that's used for mounting the formers to the press and mounting the small tools to the small tooling adapter.